Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick unboxing today of something I got in the mail that I'm super excited about. So we're just going to jump right into this and let you guys make the decision if you want to buy something like this or, maybe go the cheaper route. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to turn the box over. So as you can see, right off the top. Forgive me, I only have one hand trying to do the phone in this. So as you can see right off top, I got the Stetson hat carrier. Pretty nice. Has a little mirror inside, as you can see. It's pretty awesome. I like it a lot. Has a gold Stetson symbol in the latches. I like it a lot. And then as you can see in my box, what I got, if I can get this out with one hand, it's gonna be tricky, forgive me. Oh my goodness, maybe try tipping the box upside down. Sorry about the video, guys. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, Stetson legendary hat, El Presidente. If you know what that is, stay tuned. So here's a little booklet. I'm assuming that this is, yep, it's my certificate of authenticity, saying what number it is. It's the Stetson 100X El Presidente cowboy hat. This has the 10 karat gold buckle set on it. So as you can see, I got it in black. So you're seeing it how I'm seeing it. I just got it. So I'm super excited about this. So bam, there's the buckle. If you can see it up close. I'll just set this like this right here so you guys can check it out. It's super soft. It's softer than my Justin hat. Let me turn this around so you guys can see the inside. Sorry about the lighting. My lights aren't very good in my room. Super very nice. Very nice hat. Made in USA, baby. El Presidente. I'm loving it. Loving it. And then I also have my Justin hat, so you guys can get a little better comparison. Yeah. And this is my Justin hat's only a 6-time felt hat. This one, my Stetson hat, is 100% beaver and cashmere. So yeah, and it's like I said earlier, it has the 10 karat gold buckles. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And it's got the nice little hat box to go with it. So if you guys are interested, I went through Yeehaw Cowboy. They gave me an awesome deal. Plus, it was my birthday the day I purchased it, so they gave me a great discount. Definitely recommended. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.